Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a giant Christmas tree cake. So I'm going to hold it up so that you guys can see the scale. Oh my god, this is so heavy. So it's like 7 layers. See how big it is? Hopefully it looks big. But it is. So if you're having a Christmas party this year and you have a lot of people coming over, or for Christmas dinner, like for dessert for dinner, this would be perfect because it serves probably about 20 people, so this is a cute, perfect solution for that. We're making it with my most favorite vanilla cake recipe with the most delicious vanilla buttercream. So it's delicious and cute. And also, like every video this month, there's going to be a giveaway at the end of the video. So make sure to watch until the end of the video. And yeah, let's get started. So I baked the cakes and made the buttercream separately because I've actually done this recipe so many times on my channel, so I didn't know if it would be repetitive. So I'll have a video linked in the cards here, which is my basic vanilla cake recipe. It's the same recipe, but I have doubled the cake quantity and tripled the buttercream recipe because this is like a mega cake. But if you don't want to watch the video, I'll have all the ingredients listed down below, so whichever one you like. So we're using 2 different sizes of cake pans for this. You're going to need 2 8-inch round cake pans and 4 6-inch round cake pans for this. And if you are missing one of those sizes or both, I'll link my favorite cake pans down below if you want to pick them up. Alright, so first you want to slice the tops and bottoms off the cakes to smooth the surface and remove any excess browning. Stack the 8-inch cakes and spread some buttercream between each layer. Then stick some bubble tea straws into the center of the cake. Then place the cake board on top and cover with buttercream. And I'll have a cake board linked in the description box down below if you want to pick them up. They're handy for when you're making cakes with multiple layers, but they're also handy for whenever you're making whatever kind of cake and you want to be able to transfer it off of the surface you're working on, because you just like put it down before you start building your cake on it, and then you can take it off and you can transfer it. It makes it so much easier. Oh my god. And you want to make sure that this cake board is the same size as your 6-inch cakes. So my cake board was a little big, so I just trimmed the sides. Then stack 3 of the 6-inch cakes on top and spread some buttercream between each layer. Then you want to stick 3 more bubble tea straws inside and press them all the way down until they hit that cake board. So these are going to add a little bit of stability and will keep the cakes in the right position. And if you don't have any bubble tea straws, I'll link them below. Then place the final layer of cake on top, and next you want to carve the cake into a cone shape. And don't worry about creating the top of the tree. We're going to make that in just a minute. So carve like 7/8 of the tree and leave a little point there, because we're going to make that now. So with all your cake straps that you have from trimming the tree, they're not going to go to waste. Pop them into a bowl and use an electric mixer to break them apart. You can use your hands as well, but I mean, electric mixer is easier because you just stick it in the bowl and allow it to mix until the cake breaks apart. And then add some more buttercream and mix it together until it has a consistency where you can kind of like mold it and shape it. Then you want to get another bubble tea straw and stick it into the center of the cake and make it as high as you would like the cake to be. Then you want to get that cake that we mixed with frosting and mold it around the straw to make the top of the cake. So this is basically like cake pop filling, so if you like cake pops, make sure to reserve the top of the cake for you, because that's like sneaky cake pops there. Then you want to start at the base of the cake and pipe the buttercream dollops in rows. So I'm using a number 4B piping tip, which looks like this, and I think it looks so perfect for a tree. And then afterwards you just want to decorate it with some Jujube gummies, and I forgot to do this, but it would be really, really cute if you dust the entire cake with some icing sugar. If you pop it into like a little mesh sieve and you like tap it, it'll look like snow has fallen on the cake. So if you like that idea, or like if you want it to be even more wintry and not so Christmassy, you could not put the Jujubes on it and dye the buttercream like a darker green and then dust it with icing sugar, and that would just look so pretty and wintry. You could even use edible glitter. I'm like getting all excited now. You can use edible glitter and like white glitter and dust it on afterwards so it looks like the snow is sparkly. I think that would be so cute. But yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video. Okay, so now on to the giveaway. So like I said at the beginning, this whole month I'm doing a giveaway in each video because it's Christmas and I love you guys, so I want to say thank you for watching my videos. So in today's giveaway, we are giving away something that, like, when I first saw the concept, I was like, no, like it's totally unnecessary, you don't need to use it. But when I've started using it, like it has changed my life. So this is a candy melting pot from Wilton. I love Wilton so much, oh my god. I bought this though with my own money, they didn't give it. But it is also with Rosanna Pansino from Nutty Nummies, so I figured we'll just like, it's even closer to home because she's a YouTuber. So what this is a little melting pot for chocolate or for candy melts. And so it's like a big pot, and then there's like a little pot that you put inside, and the pot that you put inside is silicone, so it melts chocolate in a much more gentle way, so you don't risk burning it. And, which is the most important part, when it's done and when the chocolate cools, it like, you can pop it out because the pot is made from silicone. So I hate it so much when you melt chocolate in the microwave or something, and then you put it into like a little glass or whatever, or container, and then it hardens and you can't get it out of the container, you have to remelt it. I mean, like, it's such a first world problem, but I hate it so much. So this, you just pop it out, you can like put it in a Ziploc bag and save it, so much easier. So I wanted to share the joy with one of you guys. And I've also got some Wilton candy melts. I chose white just because like you got a lot of room to play with. So yeah, and with every giveaway you're also going to be receiving one of my cookbooks, which is Unicorn Food. It is a rainbow cookbook. I'll link it down below if you want to take a look at what it is. And as well as some truffles from my chocolate shop, and a Pinko Bunny tote bag, because I'm just going to flood you with merch this month. So thank you so much again. I forgot. So every entry this month you have to include an emoji, which is mentioned in the video, so that everybody who watched the entire video and did all the work gets to enter. So for this video you have to use the cake slice emoji, which is right here, and all the other details for like how to enter and everything is in the description box below, so definitely go check it out. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video. Bye.